Students, I think now you have no problem. Hello? Okay. It is okay, very good. So question number 6, question number 5 have been uploaded. Okay? Now question number 6. So one quadrilateral given that ABCD that angle is 30 degree and that angle is 70 degree. What will be the value of BCD? What will be the value of angle BCD? That is the question. That is the question. Hello? That video is uploaded or not? That question number 6. I think it is not uploaded. Yes? Okay. Okay, very good. So listen it, students. So one quadrilateral given that 4 points on the circumference and 2 diagonals intersect at E, and it is given that angle BA is 30 degree and EBC is 70 degree. So you have to find the angle BCD. You have to find the angle BCD, that angle. Okay, that angle you have to find. Okay, will you be able to solve these sums? Question number 6, Vivek and Riddhita. Okay, solve it quickly. I am giving you 2 minutes for the question. I think that question and extra part is given. If AB equal to BC, then find ECD. Find angle ECD. ECD means ECD, that part also. Okay, so first BCD, then ECD. Quickly answer. Yes. Okay. Right answer. So first of all, just think about in triangle BCD. What can you say? That angle BDC plus angle BCD plus angle DBC. Sum of 3 angles. What will be the sum of 3 angles? What will be the sum of 3 angles? That is 180 degree. Okay. Now, one thing, students, out of 3 angles, that angle DBC, that angle given, that is the measure. So angle BDC plus angle BCD plus, that is 70 degree, equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now think about that angle BAD, that BC chord subtend an angle 30 degree at point A, and that chord also make an angle here, that will be also 30 degree. That angle D also be 30 degree. Any problem? Surhit, Aharit, any problem? That angle also be 30 degree. Why? Because the same chord make an angle. That angle B is chord BC make an angle at O, and BC make an angle at D. At the same Yes, you can also write as the same segment. So BDC, that means 30 degree, plus angle BCD plus 70 equal to 180. Okay, now so BCD will be 180 minus 100, that is 80 degree. Got it? Got it, everyone? Spriya, are you on the line? I'm asking to okay, very good. So BCD equal to 80 degree. But why BDC equal to 30 degree? Why BDC equal to 30 degree? Just consider that chord BC, that subtend angle at A and same chord at D. So these two angles are in the same segment. These two angle BAC and BDC, they are in the same segment. That's why it is 80 degree. Sorry, 30 degree. Now, if AB equal to BC, AB equal to BC, if AB equal to BC, it means these two angles are equal, this angle and this angle, because that is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means base angles will be equal, base angles will be equal. So angle A equal to angle C. C means BCA. So what will be the value of BCA? That is 30 degree. As it is 30 degree, that is the base angle. That is yes. In the bracket you can also that ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay. Yes, you can write it. CLES triangle. Okay. So that is the proof. So student, we have already crossed our time, just 4:30, another class will be started. So next class, and question number 7 have been uploaded. Riddhita, question number 7 have been already uploaded. Check it in our YouTube channel. If you have any problem, just ask it tomorrow. I think tomorrow you have class, my class. Okay, thank you students, bye. So ABC is an isosceles triangle. Eta angle AB and BC equal, angle and BC AB and BC are equal. It is given in the question. If AB and BC are equal, okay, then A and C will be equal, and that is 30 degree. Ask me. Chat box, when you have uploaded?